We were having a discussion this week with some of the guys, and I was just telling them something about Prophet Owusu Bempah. Maybe let me say it because I said let me say it. And I said, there are prophets, but that man is a strange prophet. Prophet Owusu Bempah, he's a strange prophet. The class he's walking in, I don't know if there are many who walk in that class. One prophet in Ghana you don't have to joke with. In any day, any time, anywhere, anyhow, it's Prophet Owusu Bempah. I'm telling you today. Let me leave it here. See, we are prophet and we are prophet. Among the prophet, he is the prophet. You might not like it. That is your own problem. But that's the truth I'm telling you. Me, I wasn't born again when I started hearing about Prophet Owusu Bempah. And I became born again and I was hearing about him. Now let me show you. Now, before the advent of social media and all these things, this man will not be on television. This man will not be on radio. This man will have conferences. They will not do posters and flyer and go there. Every day the place is full. Do you think that there's a man to joke with? When you don't have eyes, there are things you play with. But when you have eyes, there are people you respect, even if you don't like them. There are oil you honor, even if you don't like them. And one of them is Prophet Owusu Bempah. We can never talk about the prophetic in this nation without him. So he's on a different class.
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, share the link to others, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you would be notified anytime we post a new video. We hope you will do that. Thank you.